Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something life-changing, financial freedom. What does it mean, and how can you achieve it? Let's break it down step by step. Financial freedom means having enough money to cover your expenses without relying on a paycheck. It's about living life on your own terms, whether that's retiring early, traveling the world, or pursuing your passions. But how do you get there? Let's dive into the actionable steps. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The journey starts with clarity. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom look like for me? Is it retiring at 40, owning a home, or building passive income streams? Write down specific goals with deadlines, like saving $100,000 in 5 years, or paying off all debts by 2028. Clear goals keep you focused and motivated. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. Before moving forward, you need to know where you stand. Calculate your net worth, list all assets, cash, investments, property, and subtract liabilities, debts, loans. Track your monthly expenses and identify areas where you're overspending. Awareness is key to making smarter financial decisions. Step 3. Create a budget and stick to it. A realistic budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for necessities, rent, bills, 30% for discretionary spending, entertainment, dining out, and 20% for savings and investments. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Step 4. Eliminate debt. Debt is the biggest obstacle to financial freedom. Start by paying off high-interest debts like credit cards. Use methods like the snowball method, pay off smaller debts first, or the avalanche method, focus on high-interest debts. Every dollar saved on interest brings you closer to freedom. Step 5. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is risky. Diversify. Start a side hustle, invest in real estate, or create passive income through stocks or online businesses. The more streams you have, the faster you'll reach financial independence. Step 6. Invest wisely. Investing is how your money works for you. Start early and consistently invest in long-term options like index funds, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. Compound interest is your best friend. It grows your wealth exponentially over time. Step 7. Live below your means. This step is crucial. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Differentiate between needs and wants. Living frugally now allows you to save and invest more for the future. Step 8. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Having an emergency fund protects you from financial shocks like medical bills or job loss. Aim for 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. You'll thank yourself later. Step 9. Protect your financial future. Don't forget insurance. Health insurance, property insurance, and even life insurance are essential to avoid unexpected financial strain. Also, regularly update your financial plans as life changes happen. Step 10. Stay educated on money management. Financial literacy is a superpower. Read books like The Richest Man in Babylon, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Millionaire Next Door. Stay updated on investing trends and learn from others who've achieved financial freedom. Knowledge is power. Achieving financial freedom isn't easy. It takes discipline, patience, and smart decisions. But it's absolutely possible if you start today. So, what's your first step toward financial freedom? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content that helps you achieve your dreams. See you next time.